The diagram shows the surface of garden pond made from a rectangle and two semicircles. The rectangle measures by 3 centimeter by 1.2 centimeters. 3 meter by 1.2 meter. Calculate the area of the surface. So area of the surface, we have one rectangle and two semicircles. So area of rectangle plus area of semicircle plus area of the semicircle. Otherwise, area of rectangle plus area of circle. Okay. So what is area of rectangle? Length times breadth, right? So here length is 3, breadth is 1.2. So area of rectangle is 3 times 1.2, length times breadth. Then plus area of circle. I join these two semicircle and I am making it as a circle. Okay. So area of circle is pi r square. So pi times what is radius? See, here we have a semicircle. Okay, the other side also we have a semicircle. I just join these two so that I will get a circle. So it's enough to find the area of circle. So this length is given 1.2. So this 1.2 will be the diameter. So radius will be 1.2 over 2. You will get 0.6. Half of 12. That is 6, right? So we have one decimal. So put the decimal. So pi times radius is 0.6 square. So take the calculator and find out. So 3 times 1.2 plus pi times 0.6 square. So we will get 4.73. I will write the final answer here. This is not the final because you have subdivision. So don't just round and write. You have to write at least 4 or 5 digits. Okay, 73097. So now round and write in 3 significant figure. The next number is less than 5. So you can write 4.73. The unit is meter. So meter square. Okay. Then the pond is a prism. Okay. So before starting this question, you should know what you mean by a prism. Okay, I will just explain here. So the prism means it is a solid in which the bottom and top portion must be the same. Like for example, you know the cylinder, right? The proper cylinder means the bottom and top will be the circle. So prism, these are the examples of prism. So prism means bottom and top must be the same. It is connected by some other shape. Okay. And if you have a triangle here, the same triangle must be at the top. Same. Okay. When I am drawing, there will be a little bit difference, but this is called a triangular prism. Okay. So triangular prism, and if you have a rectangle or any irregular shape also can be a prism, because the same shape must be at the bottom. Okay. So this looks like different, but just remember. Okay. So if you have a prism means both and top and bottom must be the same shape. So how to find the volume of a prism? So any type of prism you can find the volume by base area times height. Okay. In case of this one, we have base is circle. So what is circle area? Pi r square times what is height? Height is h. That's why the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Okay. So triangle, what is the triangle area? Half bh times height. Height is h or capital H, or the height if you are multiplying, you will get the area of the triangle. Triangular prism. So for any kind of prism, you can find the volume. Sorry, not area. I'm telling the area, right? So I will repeat one more time. For any type of prism, you can find the volume by base area times height. So what do you mean by base? Base must be same at the top and bottom. Okay, is it clear? So we'll continue with the question. The pond is a prism and the water in the pond has depth 20 centimeter. Okay, so calculate the number of liters of water in the pond. So you have to keep in mind the how is the pond is. Pond means the top and bottom is the same shape, this shape. Okay, this shape is bottom and top. So it is extended because it has depth or height. So it has extended the depth, you have 20 centimeter. Okay, here be very careful here. Why? because all other measurements are in meter. So this also you have to convert to meter. So 20 divided by 100, you will get 0.2 meter. Very, very careful. Okay, be very careful. Now calculate the liters of water in the pond. So how much it contains, how much water it contains, like that. If you have a question, it related to volume. Okay, so in the box how much it contains, that refers always about the volume. So here we need to find the volume of this base, this prism. So how to find the prism volume? Base area. What is base area? Base area is this area, that is you have to use 4.73097 base area times height is given 20 centimeter, that is 0.2 meter. So this will be the, in calculator I will give you one trick. In calculator you already have the same answer, right? So just press multiplication. Okay, no need to type the 4.730, no, because our final answer in the calculator is the same. So just press multiplication sign and press point 2. Type point 2. So you will get the volume as 0.9461946. Okay, we need this in liters, right? What is the unit of this? It is meter cube. Okay, it is in meter cube. So meter cube you can change liter by multiplying by 1000. So you will get 946 liters. Round and write in liters. Okay, 946 liters. I hope this part is clear for you. And if you want me to slow down, you can tell me. I will slow down and tell you. Okay. Okay. After rainfall, the number of liters of water in the pond is 1007. Calculate the increase in the depth of water in the pond. Okay. Give your answer in centimeter. So what is volume? So volume is given here. How much water contains? That is volume, right? Volume is 1007 in liters. Okay, all our dimensions are in meters and meter cube, so we can change this to meters by volume will be divided by 1000. Okay, so when you divide by 1000 you will get 1.007 meter cube. Okay, so now we have the volume in meter. So we need to find the depth. Okay, so the base area will be same, right? So this is the base area, so volume will be base area 097 times height or depth we need to find, because the depth has increased after rainfall, right? So 7, then depth will be 1.007 divided by 4.73097. Here you need to type the value because the final answer is not the same. Okay, so use the fraction button. 1.007 divided by 4.730. Don't take this here as 3SF answer. Okay, only final answer write in 3SF. If you are using any other answers, at least you have to write 4 or 5 digits like this. Okay, otherwise the value will change. A slight change will be there. 73097. So you will get yeah, 0.212852, like this you will get. So it is the current depth after rainfall, right? After rainfall, the difference is, what will be the difference? The previously how much you had? Previously you had zero point 0.2, so we'll subtract from that. So take the answer, just press minus. So this answer you need to subtract from 0.2 to find the difference. Okay, so minus 0.2, so you will get 0.01285, like this you will get. Okay, this is the final answer for this. So you can round and write in 3SF. So you can see the next number, if it is 5 or more than 5, you can change to plus 1. So you'll get 0.0129, but this answer is in meter. We need in centimeter, right? So you can multiply by 100 to change it to centimeter. So you will get 1.29 centimeter. Okay, 1.29 centimeter. So after rainfall, there is an increase in 1.29 centimeter in the depth of the water. Okay, I hope this part is clear for you. Just there will be similar questions like this for you for the final exam, because this type of question are very important, especially for extended students. This is for paper 4 question of the year 2019. Okay, so